hours to burn. And I think water would be a little closer this way because I can tell that since we went into this valley or this hollow, it's starting to equal out and it's just going downhill a little bit, and there's definitely signs of where a creek was here at one point. So we can even build a seep well if we had to here and seep out some water from the mud. But what I think we should do, since we do have a little bit more time, we're going to go ahead and move on down and try to find a ample amount of water source to add to our collection. And if we don't manage to find something within the next 100 yards or so down the trail that the deer seem to be following pretty actively, so we can go ahead and come back up here, make shelter for the night, and then tomorrow go find more water. In that sense, it's also a very good idea to follow game trails if you're looking for food and or water systems, because the game trails, they know the areas better than we do typically, because they spend more time out here. I mean, this is where they live. So it's always a good idea to sometimes follow those game trails, find out where the good water is, where they drink from, and then go from there. You also want to be careful because usually where they use their water source, they also use it as a bathroom area. So always filter out your water, boil it down, do something to it to make sure it's stable for you. The last thing you want out here is some sort of pathogen causing you to have diarrhea or throwing up and making you dehydrated. That will cause you to die.